time for a delayed ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? Well, none other than Hershey Kisses. But what kind of Hershey Kisses? They're vampire kisses. And it looks like an ordinary Hershey Kiss. But when you break it open, that's where the magic happens. And you see this very bright red color, almost like blood, coming out. But what we really have is a strawberry syrup. Yes, the strawberry syrup. And that's, it gives the illusion of a vampire kiss. And this is for Halloween. And I know I'm a little on the late side, but it's better late than never. And how do they taste? We'll find out. They taste great. The combination of the sweet of the strawberry flavor and the milk chocolate combines in such a way that you say, why hasn't anyone thought of this before? And they're just the right size for snacking. But what would I give it? Well, it's a little too sweet for me. Just a bit, because the strawberry filling is extremely sweet. It almost tries to outdo the milk chocolate itself. And I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. If you're brand new to this channel and you love what you see, subscribe to my channel. Become part of my YouTube family. And when you do, make sure to leave a message that said, I've subscribed. And I will say, thank you and welcome to the family. And of course, if you want to, you can share this video with your friends. And if you really want to, you can write me. Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.